Alright, so we're kicking off today with besan ka chila, which is a staple Indian breakfast. Think of it as a savory pancake. It's made with chickpea flour and veggies. So we put like onion, tomato and green pepper. If you're from the subcontinent, you obviously already know what a chila is, but if you're not, just go to any Indian store, go to any local store. Walmart has it. Pick up chickpea flour, also called besan. Yeah, man, make this. It's so easy. Such a good thing to have for breakfast. Just give your sweet pancake a break and try this out. I don't even need to give you a recipe. Just Google any recipe. For lunch today, I am doing a very simple dal. Throw in onion, ginger, green chili and tomatoes and chop them fine. This much would do. Throw all of that in, mix it with the dal. Next up, put in the water, put it on the gas, throw in some turmeric, red chili, mix it up well, and we're going to leave this for a bit and let it cook. So while the dal cooks, I'm going to go change into something nicer, and I also have to show you my would-be Zoom setup. Alright, I'm changed up. Fun fact, this is the first time I've owned any camo. I've not had any camo pants or camo t-shirt. Information that you will not be able to do anything with, but had to share. I was gonna go make coffee, but I figured, why not exploit the fact that we have a car and I can just get a drive-through coffee. So I'm gonna go get a drive-through coffee. Another very important thing I need to do today is promote my Thanksgiving vlog, because US Thanksgiving is coming up and a vegetarian feast is something I think people would love to watch. So I'll record the screen for you and show you how I promote a video. Alright, let's go get coffee. Can I get one small black coffee?
Small coffee black, okay.
Yeah, and one medium coffee with 1 milk and 1 sugar, please.
Milk and sugar, okay.
Yeah, that'll be all.
Thank you. Drive through 335.
Cheers, thanks. Looks like they may have done away with their regular cup holders or cup trays, whatever they're called. Dal's almost done. Also put parboiled rice to boil, so it should be done in about 20-25 minutes or so. Speaking of Thanksgiving, let me show you what gift we got from my cousin and my brother-in-law. A fancy new record player. Yeah, I mean, we were just at the antique market looking for records, and I was just like casually asking Himanshu about records because he's massively into records, right? Like they've got a massive collection. And next thing we know, they picked up a beautiful swanky record player for us. That was such a sweet gesture, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, I only have one record for now, which is the Duke Ellington one. What a classic record though, my god, so good. But I think I'm probably gonna end up buying a couple more records at some point. It's got Bluetooth, so I'm using it with my JBL speaker. I know ideally I should have a better speaker, but just a tiny JBL speaker completely works for now. The only problem is that I don't have a... My glasses are fogging up. The only problem is I need to find a good spot to put this in. At this point it's just in our living room, but I need to find a good home for the record player. Since we are on the subject of shoutouts, I have a very, very important shout out to give. It's my first subscriber shout out. So newbie investor, thank you so much for all your support. I know you've been commenting on almost all my videos. So your support really, really means a lot. Unfortunately, I don't know your name, but thanks for the love. Yeah, that's it. Rice done. Black salt. Bring out fancy plates for non-fancy food. Excellent. So I know I was supposed to get PM421 as I showed in my video, but it had the dial gain control and the mute button on the mic itself. So it made more sense to go for this model as opposed to PM421. Let me show you the setup now. So that's the microphone. Now it works perfectly and you'll see it in just a second. But I hit a bit of a snag with the assembly because the clamp wouldn't fit anywhere. Wouldn't fit on this because it's too thick. Wouldn't fit on this table. Kept sliding. Wouldn't fit on the desk. So then what I did was I used one of our food photography surfaces as the base, and the clamp basically just goes on that and it works. Here, take a look at this. Works like a charm. All right, so let's promote a video here. Actually, before that, let me check when US Thanksgiving 2020. Just want to make sure it's it's November 26th. Maybe we should promote possibly closer to Thanksgiving. I need to drink more water. Yeah, my water intake had really gone down. I need to be drinking 5 to 6 of these and I'm at 2. So I need a lot of water. All right, that's that for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you. Take care. Bye.